In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this key fob used for a Mazda 3. This fob was used specifically from 2004 to 2008, and inside here you're going to find a CR 2025 battery. Now let's get this thing open and change it. Up on the top you can see that little indentation. That's how I'm going to open it with this flathead screwdriver. If you just push it in and rotate it a couple times, it should just open up like that. And now you have access to the inside. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky. I'm going to use a precision screwdriver, and you can get a pack of these on Amazon. They're really cheap. You're going to need this because to safely remove this battery, you need to access these holes up on the top. See the red dot up on the top here? There are these two areas that we're going to use to release this battery. If you want to put your precision screwdriver in and kind of wiggle it and pry the top of the battery out, you can see it's sticking out now. Now just with a little pressure on the bottom, it just comes out like that. And you can get your new 2025, put it in down towards the side with the red dot first. And just by applying some pressure down while you pull it forward, applying pressure in while you pull it down, it just goes right back into place like that. So let me show you that again. These holes, you put your tool in, pry that out, pop it from the bottom, and you slide it down and press. Now it's in, new battery. Simply click the back on again. Be careful with it, make sure it's on securely, and there you go, brand new battery in your key fob for your Mazda 3.